Is it depression or am I just dirty? Now, personally, I don't think this has anything to do with being depressed or being dirty. At least from what I've seen on TikTok, a lot of people aren't deep cleaning their dryer vents or their lint traps. I've been really wanting to, so that's what I decided to do today. These two last screws spent way too long hiding from me that I wasn't able to properly open this thing off until I had been spending already like 15 minutes on this. Now, I will say I only have a Dyson ball, so this is just using my attachment that comes with my vacuum, so I couldn't quite get it really deep in there. I did try to use one of those dryer vent little brushy thingies to see if I could get some more, and I mean, I was sneezing because all the stuff was coming up. I think I did a pretty good job with the tools that I had, but now I'm extremely stressed because I found something terrible